Oh, welcome back folks, it's Sunday the 30th of August and this should be my new camcorder. So I thought I'd do a little video on an unboxing. Seems quite a few folks do it, so you can't beat them, join them, right? And there's a little story while I'm just opening this up about how I came to get this. I think it was $79.99 or something, Amazon. I'd already seen one at $59.99 that I thought would suit my needs. I don't want anything fancy. I'm not, interested in an all singing, all dancing, multi-action camera. So anyway, but the plan was I'd got most of the money down to because I'd done one of these current account switches with RBS, Royal Bank of Scotland, last year. So so anyway, they were offering 175 quid to switch accounts. So they gave you 125 quid initially once everything had been switched over, and then the second bit was that if you were happy to, sorry, not happy to, you had to use your debit card or credit card once a month up until June, I think the end of June this year, or was it July? I think it might, anyway, June or July, you had to use it once a month. And that obviously had to show on your statement that you'd used it. I mean, the idea was you could just spend 99p or something in Poundland, you didn't have to make an expensive transaction. So anyway, the point is, so I did religiously, I marked it on my calendar to go and remind myself to use the card. Anyway, the end of July came and they should have paid 50 quid into my account, which was going to go towards my new camcorder. End of July came, no 50 quid. So anyhow, I got a number, rang them up, and I'm telling you, the most obnoxious, I don't know what, customer service, I guess, or something, put me on hold, and then they play that appallingly bad music, and I was on hold for about 20 minutes, and then the music stopped, and they just hung up on me. Line went dead, so I rang again, same chap answered, and I said, oh, was I just speaking to you a few moments ago? He hung up on me again. Unbelievable. So I rang again, a third time, and then a woman came on and she took the details of my complaint and said she would fill in an investigation form and I would hear back from them within 4 working days. 4 working days came and went, nothing. So in the end, getting very frustrated, I managed to find an online complaints form. So I filled that in, sent that off with the details, and about a week later I got an email saying that there'd been here's a go again, rabbit's ears, error. And that's why, so they paid the 50 quid into my account, and so just, right, let's get this new camera. So anyway, I went for one a little bit more. As I say, this was $79.99, I think it was. It was actually turned out there was a sale, a late summer sale at Amazon. So I decided to splash out a little bit more. So I don't know how well that's coming across, but it's is it UHD ultra high definition, 2.7K, 3-inch touch panel, pause recording, 36 megapixel, 16 digital zoom, an LED digital light and some kind of anti-shake function. So it should be a big improvement. My old one is it's over 10 years old and it's not HD, it's standard definition. So we've got a manual here, that's for the microphones. I think it's got like an external microphone with it. Here's the user manual. So I'm looking forward to, I think that's sort of clips on somewhere. It's like a anti-shake thing or something. Steadies it. And then I think that looks like a USB. Oh, sorry, HDMI cable, I think it is. Yeah. There's a remote. That's the USB. So get that bit must go into the camera, and that bit goes into your laptop or whatever. This looks like the microphone. Okay. Got something kind of like a decibel level there or something. You can set it to different. I'm not sure how you gauge the loudness of the decibels like, but anyway. But hopefully, if I'm filming in windy conditions, that muffler thing should reduce some of the wind noise, because that is a problem up here in Cumbria, is it not? And this is some kind of thing that goes over the lens. I don't know what the jargon is for it, but it goes over the lens, and it's supposed to kind of like cut out strong sunlight and stuff like that, glare or things like that. So that's pretty interesting. Hopefully we'll get into the... Oh yeah, two batteries, that's really awesome. So you carry a spare one ready charged up round with you. That's good. And there's the camera. I think that might be the microphone jack or something. So it comes in a nice little case. Reasonably sturdy. It's Velcro last in there. So that's the actual camera. You see it's quite handy size. I don't know how well this will... As I said, I don't know all the functions of it yet, but it's high definition, so it should be good. Starting to do some uploading with this. So I guess that'll be the battery compartment. Yeah, and then I think that'll probably be an SD card slot. I'll have to get an SD card for it. You don't actually get one with the package. Then I think it's a standard tripod fitting here. I'm not quite sure what that is. Looks like they've got a lens cap on, which is pretty nifty. And I guess that just adjusts to fit, different size of your hand and what have you. So yeah, it looks fairly. Looks like there's a different kind of. I'm not sure whether that's wide angle and telephoto or something. I think this bit here, that's where the microphone housing slides onto that, I think. So yeah, I'll leave it there. I haven't read any of the manual or anything yet, so I'll have to spend a bit of time just getting my head around it all. But I just wanted to show you that, and yeah, tell you the little story about, as I say, how I came to sort of fund it. And naughty Royal Bank of Scotland, very naughty. So folks, in the UK, of course, if any of you guys have had a similar experience with RBS, when you're switching account and you haven't received the money they promised to give you, drop me a comment in the box down below. Let me know and how you got on. And like I said, if you are in that position, there is an online complaints form. Get it filled in, and hopefully you'll get sorted out. Anyway, we'll leave it there. So thanks very much indeed for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.